Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Missybeelondon, and if you saw in the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. Of course, it has to be my favourite beauty box, my Ebony box. As you can see right here, my Ebony box, and let's see what I got in March's box. Let's open it right now. And as you can see, a lovely card on the box, and it says, "We will be ourselves and free or die in the attempt. Harriet Tubman was not our great grandmother for nothing. Alice Walker." Can you see it there? And let's see what we got in the box. Hopefully the lighting is good because I'm losing my light again. But yes, let's see what I got in the box, in this month's box. Can you see it there? And I'm opening it up. Don't forget, this is March's box. March 2018. And as usual, as you see, the pamphlet which has all the information about each product in this box. At the back it says, "Give light and people will find a way," by Ella Baker. You see that there? Voila. And let's see what we got inside this box right here. The packaging is lovely, as usual, nice and neat. Can you see all the items in here? All of the items. And let me see, what do I want to choose first? I think the Dr. Organics Bioactive Skincare Aloe Vera Wet Wipes. So that is the first product in this box. And the next product is this one. And it's the Dr. Organics Bioactive Skincare Organic Aloe Vera Skin Lotion. Which is that. Hopefully the camera picks it up. And for those that are new, my Ebony box is a beauty box for women that you can get every month. It's black owned. It has products in it that are women of colour friendly, so to say, because you know there's beauty boxes around that sometimes you get, and some of the products you use, well, some of the products that is inside it is not suitable for your colour. So this kind of caters for women of all shades, not just women of colour actually, women of all shades. So that's what I want to say about my Ebony box. And this is my 1 year anniversary of my Ebony box as well, because I've been getting it from since last year March, which was 2017, and we're in March 2018. So the year has flown by. As you can see, I am a loyal customer. I've been waiting for a year. Thank you, my Ebony box, for making these beautiful boxes for us women every month as well. So let me continue. Sorry about the chit chat, but let me just continue now. The next items are, let me put this box down a minute. Items are Nyla shampoo and Nyla conditioner. Sorry about that. But yes, here's these two products. I'm using them right now actually. And you saw previously, I did a unboxing video. There is supposed to be a review video coming up soon. If not a video, it will be my blog post, so look out for it anyway. She makes these natural products for natural hair like me. Yeah, my hair is covered up as well because it's in hibernation, because you know what, it needs a break, and I'm giving it a break by putting head wrap on it, so to say, because things are a bit, I've not got time to actually style it, but I've got time for the wash process and conditioning process, but the styling process not got a lot of time for. So let me just continue the good process and let it rest in between. So yeah, these two natural ingredients as well, handmade natural ingredients. The next product again is from APPAREL. Hopefully I pronounced it right. I apologize if I've not pronounced it right. They do like merchandise and t-shirts and I think earrings and badges and accessories, so to say. You know what, check them out because they are good. I've seen them on Instagram as well. So I have got a badge you put on your clothes. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong, like I said. So here's what the badge says. Hopefully this camera picks it up that you can read it. I've got a good collection of badges now, good collection of earrings, accessories. Love, love, love. Thank you. Hopefully you've read that as well. Let me read it. I'm not good at reading, but let me read it. She's got that. Whole purpose, queen ambition, driven, go-getting, change the world, vibe. Oh, sorry, type of vibe. That's what it says. The next item is cuffs. It's hair accessories. If you can see them. It's the things that you put in your hair when you've got like cornrow and all that things, like hair jewellery. Yeah, hair jewellery. That's what it is. Can you see them? And then you can see that. Oh, it's got the crown designs on them. I'm hoping you can see them. Fiddly. Let me take it out. I don't even want to rip this. I've got to rip the seal just to take it out. Oh, it's coming off good actually. Can you see the crown design? Hopefully you can. Like a little crown you put on your hair. It is a hair accessory anyway, so yes for that. The next item is like a card holder and it has affirmations as well from famous women, of course. I've been meaning to get a card holder from like last year when I had lots of business cards and everything, but I just never got round to getting one. So I've got this lovely card holder. And like I said, it has cards in it already, these cards, with affirmations in them. Like this one. Hopefully he picks it up. And this one. Hopefully it picks it up. And this one. There you go. And this one. Positive business cards. And this one. Can you see them here? Hopefully you can see them. Oh, okay, I picked out one, so I'm going to read it as well. The minute you learn to love yourself, you would not want to be anyone else, by Rihanna. That's the one I thought I didn't want to read all of them, so I thought let me just choose one that I'll read and I'll just show it in the camera as well. The next item is, oh my days, what am I on today? I don't know, just weather, all I can say. The next item is from Naphtali World, and I think they are bath salts. Yes, they are bath salts. And look at the packaging. Hopefully this camera picks it up. Please pick it up. Can you see the bath salt, the colour of it? And it has natural herbs in it as well, which I need to know the name of because I've seen them in other products as well. But yeah. Hopefully, I'm just hoping the camera does pick up this name. Please, please, please. So bath salts, like I said. The next item, okay, there's their details if you want their details. They do skincare products inspired by nature. Oh yeah, I'm just doing like that because I'm supposed to put it closer to the camera. But let me just wait. Because I'm funny about showing people's numbers on videos. I don't mind about other details, but contact numbers, I'm funny about showing contact numbers. So let me just I'm just trying to fix this now. This is a weird video. Hopefully that is their email address, that is their name. Can you see it there? That is their name up there, I'm guessing as well. That is the name of the founder and the person that makes the products. So yeah. And I think, oh yeah, one more item actually. It is a 1 sample serving dietary supplement, and it's very delicious fragrant flavor, which is this. This is like a supplement drink. Yeah, supplement drink. I'm guessing it's like got a lot of natural ingredients. So it's like vegan protein blend. Okay, so it's like a vegan supplement drink. So that is good to know. Can you see this? I suppose supplement drink is good in fiber, fruits and vegetable, low in sugar, got a good protein in it. Oh, it's probiotic as well. That's just the back of it as well. So I'm guessing once I get into my healthy kick one day, that will come in useful, and I'll be hitting them up for more stuff as well. And guess what? That will be the end of these products. End of this video. Kind of. So I've got a good amount of stuff. So got this. Like I can hold up all these things all my day. I'll put them in a box first. And then, oh yeah, and even though it's gone already, but happy International Women's Day, because this box was themed on International Women's Day as well. So hence why there's a lot more like stuff for women, even though it's a women's box anyway. So yeah. Sorry, I am just like, yeah. It's kind of one of these things that I'm trying to get this video done, but it's like I've got other things happening as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, check out, I'll put them back in all the box. I'm not even talking good right now. But yeah, a lot of items. Anyway, I'll take a picture of everything that I've got in the box to see at the end of the video. And if you would like a My Ebony box, the link will be in the description box as well, and I'll try to pin it as a comment on the video as well. Do you like my head wrap? And like, this is a video, I've not done videos recently. Oh no, I'm rambling now. I've not done videos for a while. Like I said, stuff is going on, yada yada yada. Hair's in hibernation, hence why there's not much hair videos as well. But I'd like to say thank you for watching. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the people that watch my videos all the time. Thank you for the encouragement. And yes, I think there's more to say, but I'll leave it for a next video. Hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing. I apologise if it seemed a little bit scattered, just that when I do these unboxing videos, it's not really like a script. I just go off my head into the box, show you what's in it, and and there you go, so to say. So thank you for watching. If you're new as well, hope you can subscribe. Yeah, these earrings are from a previous My Ebony box as well. Like I said, I've got a lot of earrings now. Stay woke. You know what you gotta do. Give this video a thumbs up. Hope you can leave some comments. Let me know what you think. Do you like this box? Are you gonna get this box? Let me know. Check them out anyway, because like I said, they're a good beauty box. If I've been with it for a year and they ain't doing nothing wrong, because you know how we stay. We kind of like, if we don't like something, we kind of don't like it and move on to something else. I've been doing this for a year now, so you know, it's a good sign. Like I said, thank you my Ebony box, thank you for my subscribers, thank you to the people that watch my videos as well. And hopefully I'll catch you in the next video soon. I'll see you. Bye.